Hello, my dear friend, and welcome back to my English countryside. How I love these quiet summer mornings, when the world is only just beginning to wake. There is something so gentle about those first moments of the day. The light is softer, the air is cooler, and everything seems to breathe a little more slowly. Before the rush begins, before the lists, the responsibilities, and the endless noise of everyday life, there is this beautiful little pause, a moment to simply be, to listen to the birds greeting the morning, to watch the sunlight slowly spill across the fields, to hold a warm cup of tea in your hands, and remember that not every moment has to be filled. Some moments are precious, simply because they are quiet. The wild ponies wander peacefully through the soft morning light, carrying with them a quiet sense of freedom that feels as timeless as the countryside itself. Watching them always reminds me that the gentlest moments are often the ones that stay with us the longest. They ask for nothing. They simply exist, following the rhythm of the seasons, the warmth of the sun, and the quiet whisper of the breeze. Perhaps that is why they always leave me with such a deep feeling of peace. They remind me that life doesn't always need to be hurried, planned, or filled with constant movement. Sometimes the most beautiful thing we can do is simply slow down and allow ourselves to be fully present. The garden is in full bloom now. Every morning, it seems to awaken with even more beauty, as if summer has quietly painted every corner while the world was still asleep. Delicate blossoms reach towards the morning sun, their petals glowing softly in the golden light. There is color everywhere, gentle fragrances carried on the warm breeze, and a peaceful kind of abundance that reminds me how generous nature truly is. Moments like these make me slow down, take a deep breath, and simply be grateful. They remind me that some of life's greatest treasures are not found in grand occasions, but in the quiet beauty that surrounds us every single day, if only we choose to notice it. Watching nature change teaches us patience. It reminds us that beautiful things don't happen all at once. They arrive slowly, one tiny leaf, one flower, one sunrise, one ordinary day after another. And perhaps our own lives unfold in much the same way. Maybe joy isn't hidden somewhere far away, Maybe it has been waiting for us all along, in our gardens, our kitchens, our morning walks, in the people we love, and in the peaceful moments we almost rush past. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. To everyone who has been here for a long time, thank you. Thank you for returning and for allowing me to share these simple moments with you. And if you're new here, welcome. From the bottom of my heart, I am so happy that you found this peaceful little corner of the world. It always amazes me to think that you are watching from so many beautiful places around the world. Different skies, different seasons, different stories. Yet somehow, for these little moments, we meet here together. And that is something I never take for granted. If these peaceful moments have brought a little calm to your heart today, I would be so grateful if you subscribe to my channel. It truly is one of the greatest gifts you can give me, and I would be honored to have you here as part of this little community. May life bring you peaceful moments and the wisdom to see the beauty in every day. Take care and see you soon.